Okay, sir. Ano po bang pangalan niyo, sir?
Alright, my name is Phil Katakutan. I'm the circulation librarian. By the way, being a librarian is a very different work. You have a 4 years course, every information science, I graduate in summer in Central Scholar University in Jola. So, the whole thing, being a librarian, you have a board exam. It's, no one knows it there. Yes.
So, sir, yung librarian po is inaaral ko yun.
Yeah, it's a 4 years course. It's a Bachelor of Science. Actually, no, Bachelor of Arts.
So, sir, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you for being
So,
with us.
you're
I'm Patrick.
Patrick,
Dorsa.
Dorsa,
Yes.
and
Gina.
So, sir, these are the questions about social decay of Filipino youths. And we're just gonna ask you a question. What do you think about the cultural decay among the Filipino culture?
Probably the technology and probably the horse cultural effects. So, way back, probably historically speaking, being a Filipino is different kinds of influence from the pre-Spanish, the cultural period, and then the World War II. So, we have a lot of influence. So, I asked one of my friends, so what are the things that affects us being a Filipino? So, there's we have a mindset that we actually in our culture. For example, we watch Korean novela, so we want to become Korean. If you watch your country, oh maybe I would like to become a Persian. So it's so easy for us to become infected because historically speaking, we have a lot of cross culture in our generation. But the question is, what do you think about the culture decade? Probably the technology, cross-cultural, and historically speaking, for some reason, the Filipino have some mindset for Western mindset. For example, the idea of Western is much better than the Eastern. For example, have you ever, this one an example, and then one fact that I observed, personally I observed, anyone go to underpass, you will see someone beggar who's foreign. Are we familiar with that? With the placard? I don't know his nationality. Filipino will give coins rather than his own kind. So that's what's happened. So there's a different. I observe what I'm saying. So Filipino will give more to the foreign rather than even if besides there's a lot of Filipino beggars. So it's a difference, that colonial mindset that I forgot because that's the colonial mindset. Even up to generation, we're thinking of being going to abroad. For some reason, have you observed Filipino? If you ask them where do you want to go, I'm going to abroad. What happened to our?
They don't want to stay here.
Yeah, for some reason I don't know. Maybe it's the culture, cross-cultural effect and colonial mindset.
What kind of local mythology can the youth relate to?
Probably, I observed there are a lot of computer games related to our cultural. For example, when you play Dota, there's a lot of creatures there are Filipino, but they changed the name. For example, actually we're still in the mythology. When you say mythology, it's not fact. It's not a legend. It's different from legend. It's different from fact. Mythology is something you attach yourself. For example, mythology of Biag de la Mama. Biag de la Mama. It's a story from our culture. So, for example, local mythology can relate to youth. Probably, siguro, call it black species. Are you familiar with the black species? Like the Diwata. The Diwata is the fairy tale. The Duendes are the dwarf or the elf. And you have a lot of stories about it. Actually, one of the mythologies about the I don't know, faith healing and some young still consult with that What do you call that? Witch doctor, yeah. Still the young sometimes believe in witch doctor. For example, whatever the magic spell, so we always use for example horoscope. Horoscope is a Western. So but Filipino mythology, for example the anting-anting. Have you ever it's a sort of lucky charm, but we call it anting-anting. For example, if I have this necklace,
It's like that.
yes, like, yeah, that's the
Dreamcatcher.
Dreamcatcher. We have a different version. So
Is it
some,
punchy?
yeah, antique. There's a lot here in Quiapo. If you see the pendant,
I see
with
something
different,
like
Yeah, like that.
yes.
different, whatever, I forget. So still, I believe the youth still believe in that.
And how can you make this mythology more interesting for the youth?
Probably we need to endorse it by embracing the story. Actually, just in our history subject, it's about 2 to 3 days to teach. Probably we need to. Actually, for example, this coming Saturday is the 150th anniversary of Bonifacio. That's why we call it national holiday. That's the holiday. Filipino people will go to mall rather than to attend lecture in Bonifacio. So it's a different perspective. So how was it? So how we can raise the interest of the youth? For one, for me, as a librarian, I always recommend titles in Filipino culture. For example, sir, do you have a story regarding this? We have personally I promote Filipiniana section. So one thing siguro to promote is just to promote it personally. For example, have you ever, kasi I love trivia. So I give trivia regarding everything. So have you ever tried, for me, the best endorsement is personal story. For example, have you ever tasted the food? It's so good. And you'll tell the people, oh, that's the best food I can. Let's do it and try it. So when I recommend books, for example, Filipino culture, if you read this, it's a different way to understand why you are being a Filipino. Right, personal encouragement. So of course, support our cultures. Anyone see Fiesta for the food? Not yet. Or do you have Fiesta in your town, in your county? Festival.
Festival. We have, but not like here.
Very different.
Yeah.
As of now, the mythologies are now with the t-shirts. Have you ever observed? It's a different t-shirt we wear. We always wear something in the Philippines. It's like a visual effect.
I forgot what you
Or probably online. Probably online because the Filipino is the most user of Facebook. For example, you're Filipino, the first thing you do is log in Facebook, you log in social media.
Yeah.
So probably social media promotion, why not? Why social media? And I don't know, maybe simple encouragement can change the world. Simple endorsement. So hopefully guys, I answered the story. And then I answered everything else. Sana.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
It's very helpful.